आनंद साहिब, रामकली महल्ला तीजा, एक ओंकार Satgur Prasad. The name of the Bani is Anand, which means greatest spiritual bliss. The name of the measure is Ramkali, and the composition is created by the third Guru, Sadguru Amar Das Ji. Anand paya meri mai, Satguru mein paya. The Lord is one, and there is no other like Him. All seen, unseen manifestations are His. He is attained by the grace of the true Guru. Satgurta paya sahaj seti man vajiya vadaiya. Dear Mother, I have attained complete bliss as I have found my true Guru. Raag ratan parvar pariya saban gavan aiya. Having found my true Guru, I now experience unwavering equipoise, and loving peace and joy blossoms within me. Raag ratan parvar pariya sabad gavan aiya. It is as if jewel-like rags and their consorts have entered my being to sing the praise of the Divine Lord. Sabdota gao hari kera man jini vasaya. O friends, join me in singing the elegy of the Supreme Hari. All those who have imbibed the words of the Lord's praise into their hearts have experienced everlasting bliss within. Keh Nanak Anand hoa Satguru mein paya. Satguru Amar Das Ji, using the seal of Satguru Nanak, declares that he has attained supreme, everlasting bliss because he has finally found the true Satguru. E man merya tu sada raho har nale. O wavering mind, abide forever within the sovereign Hari. Har naal raho tu man mere, dukh sab visarna. If you remain united with your Lord, He will vanquish all your sorrows and sufferings. Angikar o kare tera, Karaj sab swarna. The Lord will be with you and effortlessly manage your affairs. Sabna galla samrat Swami, so kyon mano visare. O mind, the Lord who is omnipotent in all respects, why do you forget Him? Keh Nanak, man mere sada raho har nale. Satguru Ji states, O mind, remain forever united with the Supreme Lord. Sache sahiba kya nahi karte reh. O true Vaheguru, what is there which is not present in your home? Karta tere sab kich hai, jis de so paave. Everything exists in your house, but the one on whom you shower your grace alone receives your boons. Sada sif salaha teri naam man vasave. The mind which receives the gift of Naam, the praise of the Lord, is forever enshrined in their hearts. Naam jinke man vasya vaje sabad kanere. Within their hearts rings the unstruck celestial Shabad in never-ending bliss. Keh Nanak, Sache Sahib, kya nahi karte reh. The true Guru repeatedly affirms the message, saying, there is no shortage of anything in the Lord's home. Sacha naam mera adharo. O Lord, your true name, that is Naam, is my life support. Sach naam adhar mera, jin pukha sab gawaiya. Since your true name, your Naam, has become my anchor and support, all my desires and longings have been assuaged. Kar sant sukh man aaye vasya, jin ichha sab pujaiya. Naam has bestowed upon me bliss and peace. It has fulfilled all my desires. Sada kurban kita Guru vitto, jis diyan e vadiyaiya. I am a sacrifice unto my Lord forever, because all boons I have received are due to the grace of my true Guru. Keh Nanak, suno santo, sab tarho pyaro. O saintly beings, listen attentively. Hold the adoration of the Guru Shabad in your hearts always. Sacha naam mera adharo. By the grace of the Satguru, my soul's anchor and support is now the true name of the Lord. Vajje panch sabat tit kar supage. 5 forms of celestial music resulting from worship of the Shabad resound in the heart of the Naam-imbued Guru Ward. Kar supage sabad vajje kala jit kar tarya. O Lord, the heart in which the divine magic of your Naam unfolds, the strains of celestial Shabad begin to play in that fortunate house that is the heart. Panch doot tud vas kite kal kantuk marya. O Lord, the heart in which you infuse your sacred Naam, in that heart the 5 vices, that is anger, greed, lust, attachment, pride, are subdued. Fear induced by death too is vanquished. Tur karam paya to jinko se naam har ke lage. O Lord, the fortunate beings on whom you shower your grace, they alone have the deed of Naam worship written in their destiny. Keh Nanak, teh sukh hua, tit kar anhad vajje. The true Guru states that the heart in which the Naam abides experiences inner equipoise and divine melodies ring within. Sachi live bin deh namani. Without true devotion and meditation on the name, that is Naam, this soul body is forlorn and meek. Deh nimani live bajho, kya kare vichariya. Without true devotion on Naam, the soul body is completely wretched. What can this helpless soul body do? Tud baaj samrat koi nahi, kirpa kar banwariya. O Lord, other than you, no being has the power to unite the soul with Naam. O Master of the universe, bestow your grace on this soul. Unite this soul to yourself. Es no hor thao nahi, sabad lag swariya. O Lord, for the salvation of the soul, there is no other place or shelter. Have mercy on me. Unite me with the Guru Shabad. Thereby mend and liberate my soul. Keh Nanak, live bajho, kya kare vichariya. O Lord, without your true name, what would this poor, humble, forlorn soul body do? Anand Anand sabko kahe, Anand Guru te janiya. Everyone merely speaks of happiness and bliss, but true spiritual bliss is achieved by surrendering to the Guru. Janiya Anand sada gurte, kirpa kare pyarya. True spiritual bliss is realized through the true Guru, but a true Guru is found by the grace of the beloved Lord. Kar kirpa kilv kate gyan anjan sarya. Through the Guru's benevolence, all the seeker's sins are seared to ashes. The collyrium of spiritual enlightenment touches the eyes. Andron jinka moh tutta, tinka sabad sache savarya. The fortunate being whose attachment to Maya is erased from within, they are adorned with the power of the word. Their speech becomes sweet and true. Keh Nanak, eho anand hai, anand gurte janiya. The true Guru, Guru Amar Das Ji states, this is true bliss. This true bliss is realized through the true Guru. Baba, jis tu de soi jan pave. O revered one, in your grace, whom you grant spiritual bliss, only that person attains it. Pave ta so jan de jisno, होर क्या करे बेचारिया. This spiritual bliss is attained only by those graced by the Lord. One cannot attain this bliss through one's own force of will. Ik param pulle fire deh dis, ik naam lag swarya. Some, deluded by Maya, wander day and night in all 10 directions. Some who are graced by you align with you and are reformed. Gur Prasadi man pya nirmal jina pana pave. Those who submit to the Lord's will, by the Lord's grace, their minds are purified. Keh Nanak, jis de pyare, soi jan pave. The true Guru states, O loving Vaheguru, on whom you shower your grace, he alone experiences this true bliss. Avho Sant pyare ho, akath ki karhe kahani. Come, my dear beloved saints, let us sit and praise and speak of the ineffable Lord. Karhe kahani akath keri kit dware paiye. Together let us narrate stories of the ineffable Lord. If one were to ask in what manner is he realized, then listen carefully. Tan man tan sab swamp Guru ko, hukam maniye paiye. If the being were to entrust his body, mind and soul and wealth to the Guru and follow the Guru's path, the Lord will be realized by submitting to his order. Hukam manho Guru kera gavho sachi bhani. O Guru wards, by submitting to the Lord's will, sing the true sovereign's elegy. Keh Nanak, sunho sandho katho akath kahani. The true Guru states, O true saintly beings, sing the stories of the praiseworthy ineffable Lord at all times. E man chanchala chutrai kine na paya. O wavering and clever mind, till today no one has attained the Lord through ingenuity and street smartness. Chutrai na paya kine tu sun man merya. O mind, listen carefully. None has attained the bliss of union with the Lord through ingenuity, that is cleverness. E Maya Mohni jit et param pulaya. This fascinating entity, Maya, entices everyone. This Maya has enticed and deluded the whole world. Maya ta mohni tine kiti jin thagoli paiya. But what is in man's hand? This fascinating Maya is the Lord's creation. It has made all beings partake of its deluding potion through deceit and guile. Kurban kita tise vithon jin moh meetha laya. I am a sacrifice unto the Supreme Lord, who, through this enchanting Maya, has enticed beings to expend themselves in this world. Keh Nanak man chanchal chutrai kine na paya. Reaffirming this truth, the true Guru addresses the mind saying, O wavering mind, through ingenuity and cleverness, none have attained him. E man pyarya, tu sada sach samale. O loving mind, remember and remain absorbed in the true Vaheguru at all times. E kutamb tu jo dekhda chale nahi tere nale. Family and relatives whom you fondly gaze upon will not go with you a single step in the end. Saath tere chale nahi tis nal kyun chit laiye. O mind, the family which will not go with you, why then do you remain attached to them? Aisa kam mule na kiche, jit ant pachotaiye. Remember, in life, never do anything for which you will have to repent in the end. Satguru ka updesh sun tu, hove tere nale. listen carefully to the benevolent advice of the true Guru. The Satguru's benign advice alone will accompany you in the end. Keh Nanak, man pyare, tu sada sach samale. Addressing the mind, the true Guru explains, O loving mind, immerse in the true one at all times. Agam agochara tera ant na paya. O mind, the Lord is inaccessible and incomprehensible to the senses and intellect. No one has assessed his entity. Anto na paya kine tera, apna aap tu jaan hai. O Lord, you alone know yourself. Your entity has been assessed by none. Ji jant sab khel tera, kya ko aakh vikhaan hai. As all beings are a part of the grand play of your creation, how can these poor beings speak of your countless virtues? Aakhe ta vekhe sab tu hai, jin jagat upaya. You speak and see yourself through your created creation. Keh Nanak, tu sada agam hai, tera ant na paya. The true Guru states, O Lord, you are beyond the mind and senses. No one has ever known you completely. Sur nar munjan amrit khoj de, so amrit gurte paya. The nectar, that is amrit, that beings, gods and sages search for, that nectar is obtained from the true Guru. Paya amrit, gur kirpa kini, sacha man vasaya. When one receives the gift of nectar from the Guru with his grace enshrines the name of the Lord in the seeker's heart. Ji jant sab tud upaye, ik vek parsan aya. O Lord, all living beings are created by you. Some rare ones, graced by you, come to see the glimpse of the Guru and surrender at his feet. Lab, lob, ankar, chuka, Sadguru pala paya. He who comes to the Guru's shelter finds his avarice, covetousness and ego are shed. Keh Nanak, jisno aap tutta, tin amrit gurte paya. Satguru Amar Das Ji states that he whom the Lord showers his grace obtains the nectar from the Satguru. Bhagta ki chal narali. The ways of the Lord's true devotees are distinct and separate from the rest of humanity. Chala nirali bhagta keri bikham marg chalna. The life path of his true devotees is unique and distinct. They travel a much tougher path. Lab, lob, ankar, taj trishna, bahut nahi bolna. They shed avarice, covetousness, and ego, and utter words sparingly. Khanyo tikhi walho nikhi et marg jana. The path of God's devotion is as sharp as a sword's edge and finer than a hair. It is most difficult and delicate. Gur Prasadi jini aap tajya har vasana samani. Through the Guru's grace, those who shed their sense of ego, their worldly desires and longings cease. Desire for Hari, that is the Lord's name, comes to abide in their hearts. Keh Nanak chal bhagta jugo jug nirali. The true Guru states that the spiritual journey of true saints is distinct and separate throughout all ages. Jiyo tu chalaye, tiv challe Swami, hor kya jana gun tere. O Master, we are your puppets. As you cause us to act, accordingly we do your bidding. As your created beings, we know not your virtues or your mysteries. जिव तू चलाए तिवे चले जिना मार्ग पावे. The truth is that as God wills, so beings act. Only they comprehend this truth who follow the spiritual path. कर कृपा जिन नाम लाया से हर हर सदा त्यावे. O Lord, who by your grace are attached to Naam, those fortunate souls contemplate the name of Hari at all times. जिसनो कथा सुनाए अपनी से गुरुद्वारा सुख पावे. O Lord, whom you cause to listen to your praise and glory, they are accepted at the Guru's gateway and they attain lasting peace. कह नानक सच्चे साहिब ज्यों पावे तिवे चलावे. The true Guru states, O true Master, as is your will and pleasure, so beings act. Eh sola sabad suhava. The wondrous divine word of the Guru accords supreme bliss. Sabdo suhava sada sohla Satguru sunaya. Undoubtedly, by the divine word communicated to us by the true Guru is the song of everlasting spiritual bliss. Eho tinke man vasya jin turhon likhya aya. The divine word of the Guru abides in the hearts of those in whose destiny it is preordained. Ik fire kanere kare galla galni kine na paya. Many roam around the world, indulge in much talk, but the name of the Lord does not abide in their hearts. Remember, mere empty talk does not unite us with God. Keh Nanak sabad sohla Satguru sunaya. The true Guru states, the nectar-filled Bani of the Laudator is heard from the Satguru and none other. Pavit hoye se jana jini har tyaya. Those Guru-loved beings who dwell on the Lord's name are purified and become sublime from within. Har tyaya pavit hoye Gurmukh jini tyaya. Guru wards who have contemplated the name of Hari know it as the truth. They are purified from within. Pavit Mata Pita Kutam Sahatsyo Pavit Sangat Subhaya. Through the grace of the Lord's name, their parents, family, and associates too are purified. Kehte Pavit, Sunde Pavit, Se Pavit, Jini Man Vasaya. Those who recite Harinam, who listen to Harinam, who enshrine Harinam in their hearts, are all purified. Keh Nanak se pavit, jin Gurmukh har har tyaya. The true Guru states that having obtained the Satguru's shelter, those who have toiled on Harinam, their lives have been purified. Karmi sahaj na upje, vin sahje sesa na jaye. Rituals and ceremonies performed under the influence of the ego do not ensure equipoise and divine knowledge. Without divine knowledge, doubts and delusions are not dispelled. Neh jaye sehsa kite sanjam, rehe karm kamaye. Ignorance and doubt are the impediments to inner bliss. They cannot be removed through rites and rituals. Countless have tried but failed. Sehsa jo maleen hai, kit sanjam tota jaye. The mind is impure due to delusions and doubt. In which way can it be cleansed? Man tov ho, sabad lagho, harsyon raho, chit laye. The true Guru answers that if the mind is to be purified, then earnestly toil on the Guru's Shabad. By the grace of Hari Naam, the mind thus attached is purified. Keh Nanak Gur Prasadi Sahaj Upjay, Yon Saisa Iv Jaye. The true Guru states that by the grace of the Guru, through toil on Naam, one attains poise, inner peace and spiritual knowledge. Doubts and delusion are destroyed. Jiyo ho mele baharo nirmal. The mind of certain beings are defiled from within, but on the outside they appear clean and pure. Barho nirmal jiyo ta mele, tini janam jue harya. Such beings who look pure on the outside, but their souls are extremely impure within, have gambled away this precious human life. Ihtisna vadda rog laga maran manho visarya. Such beings are afflicted by the great disease of greed. They have forgotten the fact of the noose of death from their minds. Veda mein naam uttam, so sunha nahi fire jio betalya. All holy scriptures extol the virtues of Naam, but those beings do not heed the truth. Like someone possessed, they wander directionless. Keh Nanak jin sach tajya, kude lage, tini janam juhe harya. The true Guru states that those who have discarded the truth of Naam for the false entanglements of Maya, they have gambled this precious life. Jiyo nirmal baharo nirmal. Few are those who are pure from within and pure from outside. Baharo ta nirmal, jiyo nirmal, Satgur te karni kamani. Such beings who are pure from both within and outside, they act on the behest of the Sadguru. Kood ki sohe paunche nahi mansa sach samani. The very thought of falsehood does not touch such saintly beings. They abide by the Guru's instructions, due to which all worldly desires are assuaged. Janam ratan jini khatya pale se vanjare. Such beings who reap the fruit of this priceless life, in the Lord's abode, they are considered supreme merchants. Keh Nanak, jin man nirmal, sada rahe gur nale. The true Guru states that those who abide by their Guru, their minds are purified, and they remain forever attached to the Guru's lotus feet. Jeko Sikh Guru Seti Sanmukh hove. If a seeker, a Sikh, wishes to become fully attuned as a humble disciple to the Sadguru, hove ta Sanmukh Sikh koi, jiho rahe gur nale. If a seeker wishes to become the Guru's amenable disciple, he must discard falsehood to remain attached to the Guru from within. Gur ke charan hirday tyaye antar atma samale. In his heart, he must contemplate on the Guru's Shabad and safeguard this Naam within his heart. He must not advertise it everywhere. Aap chhad sada reh padne, gur bin avar na jane koi. Shedding his ego, he must always seek the Guru's shelter. Other than the Guru, he must pay heed to none. Keh Nanak, sunho sant ho, so Sikh sanmukh hoye. The true Guru states that he who adopts such a life path is called an attuned Sikh. Jeko gurte vemukh hove, bin Satgur mukt na pave. If a being turns away from the Guru, remember, such an impertinent being cannot attain salvation at any other door but that of the Sadguru. Pave mukt ना होरथ है कोई, पुछो बिबेख्या जाए. One may ascertain this fact from wise and discerning beings, that a being who turns away from the Guru cannot attain salvation from any other door. Anek juni param ave, vin Satguru mukt na pave. Such a self-willed being wanders through endless transmigrations due to his ignorance and doubts. However, without seeking shelter of the Guru, he cannot attain salvation from Maya's bondage. फिर मुक्त पाए लाग चरनी सद्गुरु सबद सुनाए. At last he finds salvation at the Guru's feet when the Satguru bestows upon him the gift of Naam. Keh Nanak, vichar dekho, when Satguru mukt na paye. The true Guru states, O beings of this world, contemplate this fact carefully. Without the Satguru, salvation cannot be attained. Avo Sikh Satgur ke pyareo, gavo sachi bani. Come, loving disciples of the Satguru, gather in satsang and sing the divine hymns of praise of the Lord. Bani ta gavho Guru keri, baniya sir bani. Sing only the Bani of the Guru because it is supreme over all utterances. Jinko nadar karm hove, hirde tina samani. Persons on whom falls the glance of the Guru's grace, this Bani penetrates deeply into their hearts. Pivho amrit sada raho har rang, japho sarang pani. Drink the nectar of the Lord's praise. Partaking this nectar, allow the soul to become imbued in the colors of Harinam. Meditate on the Lord of eternity. Keh Nanak sada gavho eh sachi bani. The true Guru states that this true Bani has the capacity to merge us with the truth. Sing this Bani forever. Satguru bina hor kachi hai Bani. Apart from the Bani uttered by the Satguru, all other utterances are untrue and false. Bani ta kachi Satguru bajhon hor kachi Bani. Undoubtedly, the true Guru uttered and acknowledged Bani alone is true. All other utterances only unsettle the mind as they are false and incomplete. Keh de kache, sun de kache, kachi aakh vakhani. False are the beings who utter false Bani. Those who hear it too are false, because the originators of such Bani are false. Har har nit kare rasna, keha kachu na jani. Such merchants of falsehood may repeat the Lord's name repeatedly, but it is limited only to their tongue. They do not imbibe the Lord's name into their hearts. Chit jinka hirlaya maya, bolan pe ravani. The minds of beings that have been won over by Maya, they offer prayers mechanically without feeling or reverence. Keh Nanak Sadguru bajo hor kachi bani. The true Guru states that the uttered and acknowledged Bani of the Satguru alone is true. All other Bani is incomplete and unauthorized. Gur ka sabad ratan hai, hire jit jadao. The Guru's word is a priceless diamond, encircled and inlaid by precious gems and jewels of the Lord's praise and devotion. Sabad ratan jit man laga, eho hoa samao. He who attaches his mind to the jewel of the Guru's Shabad, in remembrance of the Lord, his mind becomes the embodiment of his preceptor. Sabad seti man milya, sache laya pao. When the mind attaches itself to Naam, loving affection cascades within the being for his Lord and Master. Appe Hira Ratan, appe jisno de bujaye. The Lord himself is the diamond and the jewel of Naam. He alone perceives this truth, whom the Lord causes to know. Keh Nanak, sabad ratan hai, hira jit jadao. The true Guru states that the Guru's shabad is a jewel in which the diamond like Naam is encased. Sif sakat aap upay ke karta appe hukum vartaye. Creating both the human soul and Maya, the Creator himself brings his will into operation. Hukum vartaye aap vikhe, gurmukh kise bujaye. Having operated his will, he surveys his creation. But rare is the being who, through the Guru's grace, perceives this truth. Tode bandhan hove mukt, sabad man vasaye. He who perceives the truth of the omniscient Lord, the Guru's Naam comes to abide in his heart. He is liberated of all material bondages. Gurmukh jisno aap kare so hove, ek syon liv laye. Whom the Lord showers his grace, the being becomes a Guru ward, and he fixes his devotion on the One. Keh Nanak, aap karta, aape hukum bujaye. The true Guru states that the Lord himself is the creator of all. He himself, of his will, bestows perception of his order to the chosen few. Simrat Sastar Pun Paap Bicharde Tatte Sar Na Jani. The Simritis and the Shastras only deliberate upon good and evil karma, but the essence of spiritual bliss is beyond their scope. Tatte sar na jani gur bajho, tatte sar na jani. The essence of the spiritual bliss of Naam cannot be perceived without the Satguru. Tehi guni sansar param sutta, sutya rain vihani. Deluded by the three modes of Rajo, Tamo and Sato, the whole world is in a deep slumber of ignorance. Gur kirpa te se jan jage, jina har man vasya, bole amrit bani. Through the grace of the Guru, the beings on whose hearts Naam abides, they become aware and alert to the effects of Maya's three modes. They forever utter the nectar-like Bani of the Lord. Keh Nanak so tat paye, jisno andhan har liv lage, jagat rain vihani. The true Guru states that only the fortunate beings have toiled on the essence of Naam. Where they are awakened through the three-pronged effects of Maya, there they remain unwavering and united with the Lord from within, thus fulfilling their life's aim. Mata ke udar mein pratpal kare, so kyon man ho visariye. O being, the Lord who rears you in the mother's womb, why have you forgotten such a Lord? Man ho kyon visariye, evardata, je agan mein ahar panchave. Why should you forget and disconnect from such a benevolent, supreme Lord who sustains you in the raging fires of a mother's womb? Usno kyon po na saki, jisno apni liv lave. The being who is graced by the Lord with his devotion, no harm can befall on him. Maya and its minions cannot touch such a being. Apni liv ape laye, Gurmukh sada samaliye. The gift of devotional love is bestowed by the Lord himself. Abiding in the Guru's shelter, one must forever contemplate the Lord. कह नानक ए वरदाता सो क्यों मन हो विसारिय. The true Guru again alerts us, saying, we should never forsake such a supreme, benevolent Lord. जैसी अगन उदर में तैसी बाहर माया. As is the raging fire in the mother's womb, similar is the fire of Maya in the outside world. Maya अगन सब इक्को जही करते खेल रचाया. Maya and fire of the mother's womb are two of a kind. This amazing play is staged by the Creator. Jatis pana ta jammya parvar pala paya. When the Lord wills, the being takes birth. The newborn being is found very engaging to the family. Liv chutki lagi trishna Maya amar vartaya. As soon as a being comes into the world, he becomes estranged from the Lord, due to which he is engulfed by the effects of Maya, which now control him. E Maya jit har visre moh upje pao duja laya. All that which causes man to forget God's existence is Maya. When attachment with the material world is created, the mind then only perceives duality. Keh Nanak, Gur Prasadi, Jina liv lagi, tini viche Maya paya. The true Guru states that by the grace of the Guru, when the being again attaches himself to the devotion of the Lord, then, despite the raging pull of Maya, he attains his Lord. Har aap mulk hai, mul na paya jaye. The Lord is priceless. He cannot be estimated. Therefore, he cannot be bought. Mul na paya jaye kise vithon, rahe lok villaye. The Lord cannot be attained through worldly wealth or riches. Countless have tried but have left the world, bemoaning this fact. Aisa Satguru je mile, tisno sir sompiye, which hon aap jaye. If, through great good fortune, one meets the true Guru, then, surrendering to him completely, the ego is abandoned. One must offer one's head to such a true Guru. Jista jio tis mil rahe, har vase man aaye. Then, the soul, which is a part and essence of the Supreme Soul, unites with its Maker, and the Lord comes to abide in the seeker's heart. Har aap amulk hai, paag tina ke nanka, jin har palle paaye. The Supreme Lord is priceless. By the Guru's grace, fortunate are those in whose heart the Lord abides. Har ras meri man vanjara. God, Hari Naam is my capital to attain this wealth. My mind has become a merchant. Har ras meri man vanjara, Satgur te ras jani. Hari Naam is my capital, and my mind has become a merchant to purchase this capital. I have learnt the value of this capital from my true Guru. Har har nit jap ho jiho laha, khatho dihadi. O beings, worship the Lord's name. In doing so, you earn profit of the Lord's name every day. Eho tan tina milya, jin har appe pana. Then, the soul, which is the essence of the Supreme Soul, unites with its Maker, and the Lord comes to abide in the seeker's heart. Keh Nanak, har ras meri man hua vanjara. The true Guru says that the Supreme Lord is the priceless wealth. By the grace of the Guru, in whose heart the Lord abides, that being is indeed most fortunate. ए रसना तू अनरस राज रही, तेरी प्यास न जाए. O my tongue, you expend yourself, reveling in all manner of material savours. They will not quench your thirst. This thirst will remain intact. प्यास न जाए होरत कितै, जिच्चर हर रस पल्ले न पाए. O tongue, know this. Reveling in worldly savours, your thirst and restlessness cannot be assuaged. Only the nectar of the Lord's name can quench your thirst. हर रस पाए पल्ले पिए, हर रस बहुड़ न तृष्णा लागे आए. He who savours the nectar of Naam, he experiences bliss in every way. No craving than ever affects this being. एह हर रस कर्मी पाइए, सतगुरु मिले जिस आए. Hari Naam nectar is gained through great good fortune. He alone receives it who comes in contact with the true Guru. Keh Nanak, hor ann ras sab visre, ja har vase man aaye. The true Guru assures us that all other tastes of Maya are forgotten by the seeker when he attains the supreme taste of Naam. ए शरीरा मेरा, हर तुम में जोत रखी, ता तू जग में आया. O my body, when the Lord placed His light in you, then only you came into this world. हर जोत रखी तुद विच, ता तू जग में आया. Believe it, when in the embodiment of light the Lord placed His consciousness in you, then only you came into this world. हर आपे माता, आपे पिता, जिन जियो उपाय जगत दिखाया. In reality, the Lord is the being's mother and father. Having created this body, He placed the soul in it and caused you to see the world. Gur Prasadi bujya ta chalat hua, chalat nadri aaya. Through the Guru's grace, the being discerns that this world is an ever-changing play created by the Lord. The being is left amazed. He then perceives this world as a mere show. Keh Nanak, सृष्ट का मूल रचया, जोत राखी, ता तू जग में आया. The true Guru states that when the Lord created the basis of this world, He placed His light in you. It is then that you came into this world. Man chao pya prab agam sunya. My soul is overjoyed to learn of the Lord's advent onto the throne of my heart. Har mangal gao sakhi, greh mandar banya. O my soul, my senses, sing songs of joy because my heart has become the abode of the magnificent Lord. Har gao mangal nit sakhiye, sog dukh na vyape. O my soul and senses, now daily sing the song of bliss and rapture. Doing so, grief and suffering will not affect you. Gur charan lage, din supage, apna pir jape. Remaining attached to the Guru's feet, one realizes one's Lord. Then all days are auspicious. Anhat bani, gur sabad jani, har naam, har ras pogo. Toiling tirelessly on the Guru's Naam, unstruck celestial melodies begin to be heard. The savour of Naam becomes one's sustenance. Keh Nanak, Prab aap milya, karan karan jogo. The true Guru states, O being, sing the Lord's praises, because the source of all causes, the complete Lord Himself, has met me. ए शरीरा मेरा इस जग में आए के क्या तुद कर्म कमाया? O my body, after coming into this world, what good deeds have you performed? कि कर्म कमाया तुद शरीरा जा तू जग में आया? O my body, since you came to this world, you are engrossed in empty pursuits. जिन हर तेरा रचन रचया सो हर मन ना वसाया. The Lord who created your entity, you never sit to remember Him. गुर प्रसादी हर मन वसया पूर्व लिखया पाया. In the Lord's abode, in whose destiny it is preordained, through the Guru's grace, the name of Hari is enshrined in that heart. Keh Nanak, eho srir parwan hoa, jin Satguru syon chit laya. Satguru Amar Das Ji states that the being who attaches his heart to the true Guru, such a being's coming into this world finds the Lord's acceptance. ए नेत्रो मेरे हो, हर तुम में जोत तरी, हर बिन अवर न देखो कोई. O my eyes, the Supreme Lord has given you sight. At all times, in all places, see none other than the Sovereign Hari. हर बिन अवर न देखो कोई, नदरी हर निहाल्या. See the all-pervading Lord in everything. With these eyes, see only the Supreme Lord. एहो विस संसार तुम देख दे, एहो हर का रूप है, हर रूप नदरी आया. This diverse world that you see is all the embodiment of the Lord. It is the image of the Lord. गुर प्रसादी बुझया जा वेखा हर एक है, हर बिन अवर ना कोई. Through the Guru's grace, I have discerned this truth that सब गोबिंद है, सब गोबिंद है, गोबिंद बिन नहीं कोई. All is Gobind. There is none other than Gobind. Now, other than the Lord, there is none else. कह नानक एह नेत्र अंध से सतगुरु मिलिए दिव्य दृष्ट होए. The true Guru states that before meeting the true Guru, these eyes were blind due to ignorance. By the grace of the Satguru, through the light of divine knowledge, these eyes can now see the reality. ए सर्वणो मेरेओ साचे सुनने नो पठाए. O my ears, the Lord has sent you into this world to hear only the truth, to hear the true Lord's Naam and His praise. साचे सुनने नो पठाए, शरीर लाए सुनो सतबाणी. The Lord attached you to the body to listen to the true Shabad, which has the capacity to establish you in the truth. जित सुनी मन तन हरिया हुआ, रसना रस समाणी. Listening to the true Shabad, the mind and body blossom. The tongue too is imbued in savouring the divine word. Such alakh vidani ताकि गत कहीं ना जाए. The Lord, who is the embodiment of truth, is indescribable. He is glorious. One cannot describe His wondrous play of life. कह नानक अमृत नाम सुन हो, पवित्र होव हो, साचे सुनने नो पठाए. The true Guru states, O ears, listen to the nectar-like true Naam. The divine name will purify you. You are sent to listen to the true Naam. हर जियो गुफा अंदर रख के वाजा पवन बजाया. The Lord has placed the soul in this cave-like body In it was then the breath of life blown, which gave you the power to speak. वजाया वाजा पौन नौ द्वारे प्रगट किए, दसवां गुप्त रखाया. The Lord gave this body the power to speak. The 9 gateways of the body were made known to the being. The 10th was left secret. गुरुद्वारे लाए पावनी, इकना 10वां द्वार दिखाया. The fortunate ones who, having abiding faith and devotion to the true Guru blesses them and shows them the 10th gateway. Teh anek roop nau navnid, tis da ant na jai paya. There one finds infinite forms, names and colors of the Creator, 9 treasures of all kinds, the limits of which cannot be gauged. Keh Nanak, har pyare jo gufa andar rakh ke vaja pavan vajaya. The true Guru states that the beloved Lord has placed the soul in the body cave and has empowered it with the gift of speech. Eho sacha sohla sache kar gavho. O Guru beloved, sing the song of joy and praise of the Lord in true satsangat. Gavho ta sohla kar sache, jithe sada sach tyavhe. Sing this bliss-giving devotional praise of the Lord in satsangat, where the Lord's beloved saints meditate on the true word. Sacho tyavhe ja tud pave, gurmukh jina bujavhe. O Lord, the Guru-loved beings that you bless with spiritual discernment contemplate the true, eternal Lord. Such saints are most dear to you. Eho sach sabna ka khasam hai, jis bakse so jan pavhe. The true eternal Lord is the protector of all. They who are graced by the Lord attain Him. Keh Nanak sach sohla sache kar gavhe. The true Guru states that he who is graced by the true Guru alone can sit in satsangat to elegize the Lord. Anand sunho vadpagyo, sagal manorath pure. O most fortunate ones, hear the Bani of Anand, which has the power to grace you with spiritual bliss and fulfill all your desires. Par Brahm Prabh Paya Utre Sagal Visure. Listening to this Bani, one attains awareness of the Almighty. All apprehensions are shed completely. Dukh Rog Santap Utre Suni Sachi Bani. Whoever has listened to this Bani with heart and soul, his sorrows, ills and tensions have ceased to exist. Sant Sajan Pe Sarse Pure Gurte Jani. Saints and the Guru loved who have come to know the greatness of Gurbani from the Satguru have experienced spiritual bliss by aligning with this Bani. Sunte pavit, kehte pavit, Satgur reha par bure. Listeners and reciters of the true word become pure and sublime because in Naam abides Satgur's presence. Binwant Nanak, Gur Charan lage, vaje anhad ture. With the seal of Nanak, Satguru Amar Das Ji in utter humility states that whoever cherishes the lotus feet of the Guru, that is Naam, the unstruck celestial melodies ring within him, bestowing him infinite spiritual bliss.